Hello, I'm Dr. Barrett, and I'm excited to introduce to you the Barrett Signature Facial. We've incorporated 3 of the latest technologies to bring you maximal facial rejuvenation. The first component of the facial is high-intensity LED light therapy. Just as plants absorb and convert sunlight into cellular building blocks, skin absorbs therapeutic light and uses it as a source of energy to stimulate cellular regeneration to produce collagen and elastin. Kill acne, bacteria, reduce inflammation, and speed healing. This addresses the most superficial outermost portion of the skin. Deeper down, we use Venus Legacy radiofrequency treatment. This uses multipolar radiofrequency technology to heat the underlying fascia and deep muscle tissues that the light can't reach to 43 degrees Celsius. This has scientifically been proven to tighten underlying skin and muscle tone to improve the appearance of jowling and excess skin. Lastly, for the middle portion of the dermis and the deeper portions of the epidermis, we use microneedling with PRP. PRP is a special cellular component of your blood. So after we draw your blood, we spin it down and we get this beautiful golden fluid that we inject into the skin using a microneedling pen. Thousands of microchannels are created with a microneedling pen, which alone stimulates healing but opens up the protective barrier of their skin to allow this beautiful PRP to allow it to do its work. This facial is a fantastic option for those that are not looking for a lot of downtime. Typical downtime is about 3 days of redness, if you want to call it downtime. The redness is similar to a sunburn, but after it heals, your skin is left glowing with a beautiful, new, rejuvenated look.